Here's how to do a split screen in CapCut PC. First of all, you need to go ahead and import the video in the project. Now add the remaining video as an overlay by dragging them on the top of the first one in the timeline. On the right side, select video and then go to basic and then lower the opacity level. This helps to see both videos clearly while positioning them. Now set both videos according to your preference. And after positioning, increase the opacity of the top layer back to 100%. And then click on Mask and choose Split. Tap on Add Mask, tap on Split. And in the video preview, find the rotation button on the split line and click and drag to rotate the split and adjust the line until the split screen looks the way you want it. Now go ahead and play the video and you'll be done. So that's it. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, please like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching. We'll see you again in the next one.